This biometric validation was built with Python and also library called Deepface. This library comes with a lot of models, open source models, but the one that we are going to use is it's called S-Face. So this is a open source model. We are not going to pay or be in charge for using that. And we're going to use this model for two things. The first one is we're going to validate that the picture has only one face on it. That means that pictures with no face detected or detected more than one are going to be considered as an error. Also, we are going to use this library to compare two faces if they match. So for this, we create a demo that simulates a sign up and a login for our users. First, users are going to register themselves using the form, inputting their emails, their full names, and taking a picture of themselves. Where there is going to be some validations, as I mentioned, the validation that picture has only one face, and we register that or save it in our database. Then, when users try to log in, we are going to retrieve that information from database if it exists, and we're going to get the picture of the user, and we're going to request a user to take a new picture. So we're going to validate if those pictures are the same. So we're going to see the demo right now. I am going to demonstrate this by putting a new email. I am going to register myself, so I am putting my email. I am putting my full name. Okay, so first I am going to take a picture of other thing that is not but a face. Actually, I am going to take a picture of this game and trying to register. So you're going to see that there is an error. Don't worry about that. The backend service are sending the correct response of this. We can see over here that we have this response. Faces were not detected. Okay. So we're going to try again. I am going to take a picture of myself, try to register, and user was saved successfully. So we are on the database. If we check on this database is in Mongo just for demo purposes. This is my information, which is good. So I am going to try to log in. I am going to put my email, but we can try to put another email that is not in the database. This is also verified by the system. Take a picture, try to log in, receiving the error. Again, I am going to improve this message, but this is just demo purpose. So we're going to put the correct email, try to take another picture and log in. And there we go. We have a welcome message, meaning that we have successfully been validated with biometrics, and that could work in many ways. So imagine that in your company you have a business process that is very sensitive, where you need that improvements, you need to be sure that improvements are being made only by users or a group of users that have certainly roles in your company. And let's say that one of them lose their password. So adding this biometric verification, you are adding an extra security layer to your systems by being sure that just that user it's going to be able only him to approve or make some specific action in your applications. So with this we are improving security. Also we can achieve more of user experience. And that's all. I am leaving here the repo. You can implement, you can use this demo version as a template or blueprint in order to make some implementations in your system. And just if you have some questions about that, just reach me out. There is my email and also my website.